Hello, we just wanted to share a tool that may be helpful in determining whether or not the contrast on images you're using meet the WCAG 2.1 AA standards. We're going to bring up our little tool here. I'll show you how to get this closer to the end of the video. We're going to select our foreground color. We're going to use the little eyedropper. We're going to start with this white color. We're going to go to the background color. That gives us a pass for all of the different sizes, normal, large, and non-text elements. We can check again for this green color here. Looks like that gets a fail for normal text, but large text would still meet the WCAG 2.1 AA standards. Finally, let's check our last color. The red unfortunately gets a fail on all of these. This would not have enough contrast for it to be acceptable under the WCAG standards. In order to get this tool, pretty handy, we're going to go to Web, AIM. You can follow the breadcrumbs to get here, clicking Home, Resources, Contrast Checker, and Bookmarklet, or you can simply select the link that is in the bottom of this video. The installation is very simple. You just drag and drop this onto your bookmarks bar, and then it will be available for use anytime. You just select that from the bookmarks bar. Then you can select whatever color using the eyedropper tool. Hope this helps. And as always, feel free to reach out to Teaching and Learning if you need any assistance.